Hey, good morning, guys. So today we're changing the headlights on the Nissan D21, and as you can see, my headlight is completely destroyed. I think I hit a rock or something and it broke the headlight, but the bulb is completely split on the inside. As you can see, the bulb is split in half. So we're gonna go ahead and get this off. We just need to take off these two top screws right here. But there's basically a screw right there, which you can see, and then there's another one right here. Once we loosen that, it's gonna loosen up this, and we just pull our light out. So I'm gonna do that right now. I don't have a tripod today, so it's gonna be hard to film this because I don't have my tripod. Bend this, you don't want to break it. Bend it enough. This whole light comes out. Alright, so this is the new headlight. It's a Sylvania XtraVision H6054. And this is the one that I assumed that I already had on the truck, and I don't know if this was a replacement or if this is stock, but this new one, I don't know if it's glass or not. I can't tell. Kind of looks like glass. I don't know. Might be plastic, but I know a lot of people put LED lights, but I kind of want to keep it looking original, so I didn't go LED, but I might do it later now that I know how to take these off. So you just take this bracket off, then you put the bracket on the new light, and you just plug this back up. So bracket's on right there. Okay, we're gonna fit the light, plug it up into the grill. So all you do is just put it like that, angle it down, it should sit. It should sit, no problem. Okay, there we go. All right. Okay, so now you gotta get your bracket back under the grill. Okay, brackets under the grill. Then you just get your two screws and then you guide them in. Once you get your screws in, you're gonna want to just tighten them up on each side. So you're gonna want to tighten this a little bit, a few turns, then go back to this side. Let me see if you can see. Go back to this side and hit that one a few turns until it all lines up and it's flush. Okay, so now we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna start on the other side. All right, guys, so we're starting on the passenger side, and as you can see, this light's cracked, but it's not broken nearly as bad as the other one was. But you got a tight space. You got the battery right here, but you should still be able to get your light unplugged, get this unplugged. You just squeeze it and pull it, and then you just start taking off your two bolts at the top, and then that's it. You take it out the same way. So I'm going to show you the finished product afterwards. Another thing is that I've seen people take the whole grill off and do all of this. I guess that's just to adjust the light, but I don't even think you need to do that to adjust the light. I think if you get like a flexible enough screwdriver, you could just take off the bracket, and then if you want to turn your light and adjust it, you just use the sides. You don't have to take off the whole grill. So the glass is broken on this passenger light, so it's coming off in pieces. You see, it's coming off like this. I have to grab one piece and pull it out because it's broken. All right, so we got both of our lights in. As you can see, they're both mounted. My passenger light looks a little bit slanted. I don't know if it's even or not. I can't tell, but I'm not gonna adjust the lights. My visibility was always fine. But then after you do that, you wanna plug in your connector in the back right here. And it doesn't make a click noise or anything. You just gotta plug it in and see if it's in by feel. And then you just turn your lights on, make sure that they both come on. My lights turned on, so they both work. And then that's pretty much it. And if you want to go LED later, you can. But I think my lights were original, or someone probably bought them a little bit after replacing the original ones. I had them for more than 6 years. I haven't changed the headlights, not once. So these should probably last me a really long time. But if I go LED, I'll make another video. Okay, this is what it looks like with the hood closed. And you can see the lights look pretty good. They look new. So it should fit flush like this. You want to make sure all your bolts are tight around the bracket, and just try not to loosen anything on the grill, and it should be easy. It should take less than 20 minutes to do. Alright guys, well that's gonna be it for today. So just make sure you check your brackets, make sure they're on tight, make sure your lights are plugged up, test your lights out, turn them on, and yeah, as you can see, they look fresh. Oh yeah, I'm so hyped on this. I might go LEDs. We don't know yet. We'll see. But all right, guys, enjoy your trucks. Peace. Have a good one.